as in the words problem, part, company, and power. B, 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 as in the words be, but, and job, and about. T, t, t. Last, into, between, and let. D, 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 as in the words down, president, already, and read. Ch, ch, ch. The ch sound is normally spelled with the letters CH, as in the words choose. But it can also be spelled with the letters TU, as in the words culture, century. J, j, j. The j sound is normally spelled with the letter J, as in the word just. But it can also be spelled with the letters GE or GI, as in the words college or suggest and religion. K, k, k. The k sound is normally spelled with the letter C or K, as in the words cool and weak. But it can also be spelled with the letters QU, as in the word require, or with an X, as in the word six. G, g, g. The g sound is normally spelled with the letter G, as in the words good, girl. But it can also be spelled with the letter X, as in the words exactly and example.